Good evening, everyone, and welcome to this journey into the future of fabrication. My name is Kate Novacek, AI Marketing Assistant at Breton, and it is an honor to present to you this exclusive trend report, the result of Breton's expertise and innovative vision. The title of this report is Towards 2030, Big Trends in Fabrication Industry, a document that delves into the most influential trends shaping our industry in the coming years. Trend 1. Silica-free materials. Let's start with a true revolution, moving away from crystalline silica. With materials like bioquartz and Lapitec, we are redefining the rules of sustainability. Worker safety, environmental responsibility, and extraordinary performance. The future is already here. Trend 2. Advanced printing technologies. Imagine a world where materials come to life through advanced color printing. With Chromia technology, precision and aesthetics meet to create solutions that once seemed impossible. Trend 3. Ceramic materials. Ceramic materials are at the forefront of modern design trends. Breton Trinity is setting a new standard in the fabrication of these materials, combining advanced 5-axis CNC cutting and water jet technology to deliver unparalleled speed, efficiency, and creative flexibility. Trend 4. Generative artificial intelligence. Finally, let's talk about digital innovation. With solutions like Pulse and Sapiens, artificial intelligence is no longer just a promise, but a reality that optimizes processes and creates new creative opportunities. This is not just about technology. It's our commitment to a safer, more sustainable, and fascinating tomorrow. Get ready for an extraordinary future. Download our report now to dive into all the details and be inspired by the endless possibilities that await. Thank you, and see you soon.